Hello, welcome to the Drop 4. So last week was pretty great. I found out that I need to make a to-do list. So I tried working upon that, but let's say a task comes. So my net response is like, okay, I have that thing in the back of my mind. But what should actually happen is like, okay, whenever task comes, I should like directly enter it into a to-do list and then I should prioritize it and then I should execute upon that. So ये जब तक habit नहीं बनेगा, I don't think तो I would be able to reach till 4 or above than that. So I would like pretty much grade my last week into 3.75, same as to the previous week only. Or else something really awesome happens in that week, then I think I would touch till 4. So in the coming week, I'll try to inculcate that habit that first thing I should do is like enter into to-do list. That's it. And moving on, then I can easily plan it out and then बाकी की चीज़ तो हो जाएगी eventually. So this is like a update of a previous week and my grading on that. Moving on to a startup update. So it's going good. और इतना कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिकली ज़्यादा कुछ डिटेल में है नहीं बताने के लिए, बट एज टोल्ड इन अ प्रीवियस वीडियो दैट वी वेर लाइक ऑनबोर्डिंग न्यू folks in our team. So our tech team currently looks like 4 people. So we just onboarded Vaibhav in this previous week. Hey Vaibhav, welcome to the team. We are going to really rock it. So अभी सही चल रहा है, like product we are balancing it out and client as I already told that by the March end we'll be moving towards one client, and from last 3 months we haven't really onboarded any new client. So that is good. And next 30 months goal is like we need to onboard 2 more folks. One is into design and one is into copywriting something. So let's say I think around mid-April तक we'll get 2 more folks and we'll be a sweet 7 team like ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं. So basically a very sweet team. So we'll be looking forward to that, a balanced team and who can really deliver something and like handle those stuff. तो this is much update and I think बाकी का तो अप्रैल में आता ही रहेगा eventually. So moving on to the ideas part or the experiment part. This week's idea is like pretty much great and close to me because I've been like always fond of future, like what's the tech really going to be in the future, and I've always been like geeking about that and I'm constantly keeping myself updated with the latest trends. So like in the month of Jan, I wrote an article in my newsletter regarding future trends, and it got a really amazing response, and thank you so much for that. Like, and it motivated me so much that like in last 3 months I was planning like what could I do more on that front. And because like many of the folks who mentioned like भाई ये मुझे पता ही नहीं था, like that seems very like these things we should know definitely. So what I can do more on that front. So I was like tinkering in this last 3 months. So I finally found in the like March starting में मुझे पता चला I think I should start a show something, or like I'm calling it right now as a future shots. It will be a show where I'll be talking with industry experts or domain leaders in that particular field, and it will not be exactly an interview or a podcast. It will be just simple like I'm discussing with my friends. That's it. We'll be sharing our thought processes. We'll be sharing our resources or what are the like articles or like threads or anything we are reading about. Like that's it. So it will be a small conversation. So first one episodes comes might be Monday. I'll try to share it by Sunday evening. So I'm going to record it tomorrow. So first one episode, as I told, I shared in my previous story that a word was mentioned into my last story itself. So first episode is on NFT. It's non-fungible tokens. So let's see. I'm going to talk with Rinkesh and Saurabh. They both are like amazing guys in the blockchain and like amazing guys. They have a cohort-based training program and those guys are killing it. So I'm really excited to like record the first episode of the future shots. So tomorrow I'm going to record it. I'll keep you guys posted on my stories as well. So the second update in this ideas is like regarding the Twitter threads that I'm doing regarding the growth marketing. So I recently just completed 70 days. So it seems like a lot. Now only 1 month is remaining. So ठीक है, I didn't like सोचा नहीं था कि इधर तक इतना पहुंच जाएंगे. Like I just started it out like let's learn and whatever I'm learning I'll share it out. So देखते देखते like it's gone, like it's reached till 70. So I really try to complete it and hit it till 100. So only 30 more days to go, and really fingers crossed, and we'll try to achieve till like 100 days. So this is the update of this week. I think chota video hai, but hope you enjoyed it and let me know what you guys are working on. And till then, stay safe, keep hustling, and YOLO.